Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your son to the Family Members section on your Facebook profile using a PC with the latest update. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, on your profile, you'll see several tabs like Posts, About, Friends, and more. Click on the About tab to access detailed information about you and your connections. Within the About section, scroll down or look for the Family and Relationships option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the Family Members area. Now, you'll see a list of any family members you've already added. To add your son, click on the Add Family Member button. This will open a small window where you can enter the details. Start typing your son's name in the box provided. Facebook will suggest matching profiles based on what you type, so select the correct person from the list. This ensures that you're linking to the right Facebook account. After selecting the name, you'll need to specify the relationship. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Relationship and choose Son from the options. This clearly defines your connection. Once everything looks good, simply click the Save button. Facebook will update your profile and your son will now appear in your Family Members section. And that's it. You've successfully added your son to your Facebook Family Members list on your PC using the new layout. This feature helps you share your family connections with friends and loved ones in a clear and organized way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.